So right after vitamin C, of course, it is much better if you're gonna apply beauty oil. This is one of, one of the uh, best product when it comes to anti-aging, because if you are familiar with retinol, retinol is, good for anti-aging, as well as those who suffer with pimples or acne. It can actually improve their skin with retinol. But with beauty oil, we actually have specific ingredient in beauty oil, which we call it bakuchi oil. Bakuchi oil is 10 times better than retinol. It's actually a natural alternative for retinol. If your skin is sensitive, or if your skin does react with retinol, you can actually have a bakuchi oil ingredient on your skin. It is also the best anti-aging that we have here. If you wanted to, achieve some glassy skin, like a Korean skin, you can actually achieve that kind of results with our beauty oil. Okay, so it can gives you more glowing skin. It can actually produces a lot of collagen, because as we get age, we loses some collagen, and that's the reason why we really need to have a products that can help us produce more collagen on our skin. Okay, for us to be able to, look more younger, to have a plump skin. Okay, so that's going to be the effect of beauty oil. Beauty oil can also used by those who have acne or pimples, because or those who have oily skin. Sometimes they have this fear that once they use the beauty oil, they can they thought that their skin will be more oily, but it will not. Actually, it can be easily absorbed on your skin, and it's really healthy, and it's really giving you a much more glowing skin when you use this beauty oil. Okay, not only that, you can also use this all over your body. You can use this on your face, on your hair, on the back of your hands, all over your body. It's really safe. Okay, it can also diminish fine lines and wrinkles. It brighten your skin, and this is one of our super anti-aging product. So all you have to do right after vitamin C, you can actually pour 4 to 5 drops of beauty oil, and then massage all over your face, your neck, the back of your hand, your hair, so that you can have a good results. You can also use this in the morning and at night, or you have an option if you can use it in the morning or at night. Okay, it really depends on you. So, of course, we have bakuchi oil, which is the natural alternative for retinol. It can reduce fine lines, wrinkles, restore firmness, and improve the skin texture or skin tone of your skin. And for those who are afraid to use beauty oil because they might get an oily skin, it cannot give you that kind of result, because it actually absorb quickly on your skin, because the oil that we use here are marula oil and the jojoba seed oil. So marula oil, it's rich in fatty acid, which is also an antioxidant, and it also has vitamin C and E, and it cannot clog their pores. Okay. With the jojoba seed oil, it has a natural source of vitamin A, B, and also has copper and zinc. And also, it cannot clog your pores because it easily absorbs into your skin. It also has lavender oil. That's why when you open this beauty oil, you can actually smell a little bit of lavender on it because of this particular ingredient. And we all know that lavender is a multi-benefit oil that gives your skin more calming and clear And it also has antimicrobial properties to help fight acne. That's why it's also good for those who have acne prone skin.